Feel your eyes, they're all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. It's the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're upgrading the lighting setup again because let's be real, you can never have too much light off-road. Novsight just sent me these Halo 3-inch pod lights SEs to match my already installed 6-inch Halo SEs that I have up here. And we are also going to be pairing the A-pillar dual light mount in stainless steel made specifically for 2018-2024 models. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the install, the wiring, and of course, show you how everything looks at the end. Let's get into it. So here's what we're working with today. The 3-inch Halo pod lights SEs, the A-pillar dual light mount, and of course, your wiring harness, and your basic tools, your sockets, your wrench, and your zip ties all come in this box. What I really like about these pod lights is that they match perfectly with my 6-inch Halos, so we're keeping them clean and uniform. These A-pillar mounts, they're super clean and they don't require any crazy modifications. Okay, so now the first thing we have to do is remove the 6-inch Halos first to then install the dual mount pillars. Hey, we have another Jeep.
They're the best.
See, he's already has his, he's got 2 sets of the 3-inch Halo SEs installed with his pillars. So I'm gonna have something very similar to what he has installed right now, but up here I'm gonna have my 6 inches. Okay, let's get to removing these. Pillars. One pillar goes in, just like that. Yeah, it's gonna look so nice. Let's grab the sockets. Okay, here's all the hardware for this dual mount pillar. Now, this little bracket, we're gonna attach it. I'm putting 3 inches. You can put another 4.5 or another even 6-inch. So see, I attached it from the back, the little screws. I'm gonna screw them in nice and tight, give it a nice flushed, clean look. Okay, just like that. Okay, got them in here, through the back, and screw them in. There we go, okay, ready to go. Okay guys, in order for me, I gotta remove the wiring that I had already set up for my 6-inch. I gotta remove this side pillar here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these. This. Okay, as you can see here, I already got my bracket for my 6-inch light. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. So here we got the spacer that comes with the pillar mount. That goes in here. Big screw. Goes through here. And then now this one goes on this side. Okay. I'm gonna present it just like that. I'm going to put it like that. Okay. Get these bad boys. Nice. All right, as I'm assembling now my brackets on here to my 3 inches, Umba's gonna show you what our friend's doing over there real quick.
What do you got?
I'm good here with my 4.5 and my axe. I'm trying to figure out where to put them because there's some good spots, and I can wait at night to see how bright it is.
He already got his 3-inch here on the Novsight pillar, and they look amazing. What do you think?
Looks good, they're the best.
Now, depending on what you want to install or how you want to install it, you got several holes here that Novsight has already preset for you. I am going to be working with this little one here for my 3 inches. And we got your washer, pressure washer. I don't want to tighten it just yet because I want to see what angle works best for me. So you see, it's coming along. Here's my filler, and come like this. I got my spacer, goes down here. And washer with my screw. This is going to come right here. Okay guys, let's get to the wiring. Now this is super simple. You got your plug and play effect here. So this is gonna go into your lights, okay? One on each side, on and off buttons. And of course you have your, what goes to your battery, which is your positive and your negative, okay? Super simple. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, here's your battery connectivity right here. Put one here. There's over there, the other switch. So for the on and off switch, the JLs, there's a little grommet here. Okay, it's a nice opening. I don't know if you can see that right down in there next to the brake booster. Okay, we're gonna pass my switch through there. Give it some slack. And now that is gonna come out right here. Ta-da! Okay, we're gonna figure out where we're gonna put this little bad boy. I'm gonna show you now exactly in the camera where that little grommet opening is, so that way you can go ahead and know. There it is, that little opening right there. That goes into the interior from the engine bay. We're gonna go ahead and run all these wires up next to the firewall, nicely organized. We're gonna plug this one in here. Okay, now we're gonna do installation to the battery. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, take off this bolt here. Get it here, just like so. Put it back in. Right here.
All right.
Okay. All right. Now that everything's installed, let's check out these beautiful halos SEs. We have the red halo. Wow, beautiful. We have the white halo. And of course you have your full beam, your flood and spotlight. All right, so now here's the power switch. I'm gonna go ahead and install this somewhere, you know, fairly simple for me. This is customizable entirely, so you can go ahead and install this depending on your setup. I went ahead and removed all this plastic. It's just, you know, easy, you know, with a little bit of force, nothing breaks. We hid the cables back here. Here is the light switch. There you go. Got my power, got my red. I love it here because it's really next to my, you know, my other switches here for all my lights. So yeah, this is a done installation. Till next time.
Baby girl, I get it, I'm a badness. Give me the badness, bring sweetie badness. Look how she hot, she a black goddess, but I'ma just that. It's a good piece of mental, that's the gap. At least a girl, I'ma love all your chat. Watching every step, every part of your gap. In my brain memory, know the tap. In my aim is to give it this. That's how you're naughty, the way you move. Let me acknowledge the way you do. And I would not lie, baby, I'm like daddy. It's how you're naughty.